Next, let's talk about the AWS EC2 instance purchase options. There are multiple purchase options. On demand. On demand purchase options pay for the instances by the hour with no long term commitment or upfront payment. This option is best for users who need flexibility and do not want to commit to long term uses or don't want to pay the upfront cost. Reserved instances. Reserved instances purchase the instances at a discounted hourly rate with 1 or 3 year commitment. This option is best for users who can predict their uses and want to save money over the long period of time. Spot instances bid on spare EC2 capacity and only pay the current spot price, which can be significantly lower than on demand or reserved instance prices. This option is best for users who have flexible workload and can tolerate the interruptions. Dedicated host reserves a physical host for your instances and pay for the host and instances separately. This option is best for users who need full control and visibility over the host where the instances are running on. Saving plan. Saving plan pay a discounted rate for EC2 uses by committing to a set amount of uses over 1 or 3 years term. Scheduled reserved instances. Scheduled reserved instances specify the time when you want to launch the instance and pay a lower hourly rate for the instances that are running during that specified time.